Hello, this is me, Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, owner of a Google partner company, as well as an SEO expert and a digital marketer. So today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today, and the question is relevant to SEO, and the question is, what should be the strategy for bio and author page when we are not directly showing ourselves, for example, using a symbolic author name. Okay, this is a scenario. For instance, if you open my blog and if you see over here, this is one of my post, and if I open my post, okay, this is exclusively for those who don't know the meaning of author bio. Okay, so this is about the author, you know if author bio, this is for the author bio. And for personal blogs, the author page is mostly the about me page. For instance, if I open my about me page and if I show you guys, let's say if I open my about me page in front of you guys, so this is my about me page, and here I'm actually explaining myself. Okay, but this is a real blog, and this is where I'm sharing my events, my certifications, my education, what I'm doing, and all the stuff over here as well. Okay, so now if I move back to the question on what should be the strategy for author bio and author page when we are not directly showing ourselves, for example, using a symbolic author name. Okay, whenever there are scenarios when you are using a symbolic author name, even then, I believe that the more precise and the more detailed you are in giving the both about me page, author page, or author bio, the more you will get the authority over the topic where you are writing. The less you seems interested in writing about author bio and author page, the less authority it will give. So yeah, this is one of the not a huge factor, again not a huge ranking factor, but a small factor, and sometimes can be a very healthy and supportive in getting yourself ranked as a whole website. Okay, this will help you not for individual ranking of the pages, but overall ranking of your website, overall trust authority of your website, overall, you can gain more authenticity for your website. This is for the overall strategy, and I believe that you should not even miss on the small SEO factors like this, and you should consider definitely them as a factor, and it can help you. Like, small steps can help you in taking a big step like this can be a very good help in your SEO strategy. So I hope this answers your question, and in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, or web development services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click in one of the links in the description, and we will love to work with you and getting it sorted. And if it answers your question, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.